This is presented by HBase Connect, Japanese freight forwarder in Japan.
Hello. Today I will discuss the topic that U.S. retail import containers are expected to continue double-digit declines into early 2026, with tariff uncertainty being a major burden. To summarize the conclusion, the volume of imports to the U.S. is expected to fall sharply for some time after the start of the year in 2026. Forecasts from the National Retail Federation, NRF, and Hackett Associates suggest that from January to April next year, the volume of imported container handling will see a double-digit decrease year over year for 4 consecutive months. A particularly sharp drop of 17% is anticipated in March. There are primarily two reasons for this significant predicted decline. The first is that the uncertainty surrounding tariff policy has not been resolved. The outlook for U.S. tariff policy remains unclear, and although some tariffs have temporarily decreased, the lingering fear that rates might still increase is causing companies to hold back on placing orders. The second reason is the mountain of accumulated inventory. As a reaction to the preemptive heavy importing done around last summer to beat potential tariff hikes, retail warehouses still hold more than enough inventory. Since this existing stock must be sold off, new orders are not being placed. Furthermore, with retailers also moving to tighten inventory, there is little to no need to ship cargo in early next year. The impact on the shipping market is already evident. As Hackett Associates points out, the effect of tariffs is gradually emerging as a weakness in cargo demand. Since cargo volume from Asia is decreasing, freight rates for ships heading to the US are already trending downwards. The latest figures for October were below the previous year's levels, and December is expected to see the lowest level in 2 years, indicating that the slowdown in import demand is likely to persist for a while. In summary, the prevailing attitude for the time being will be one of wait and see. Although the Retail Association is hopeful about this year's holiday shopping season, the NRF vice president commented that the outlook for 2026 trade policy is still too uncertain. Consequently, the focus is on how much inventory can be moved during this year's holiday season and how the U.S. trade policy ultimately resolves, with the entire industry adopting a cautious, waiting stance. While the NRF forecasts that U.S. holiday season sales will exceed $1 trillion for the first time this year, it does not anticipate a strong movement toward inventory expansion by retailers. It will be necessary to continue monitoring these U.S. retail trends going forward. That's all for today. Thank you very much.